Secret 145 here. I'm just broadcasting how to shoot airsoft KPO. It's not like just practice. I was bored today all of a sudden. Yeah. So, good try. There, that's my binoculars. That's my homemade thing. And that's it. Where was that? So, we put in the just entire. I only have 5 BBs in. So next, I'm just gonna get the gas. That. I'll just wait for a while. Okay. So that just lock it. Oh shoot! Sorry about that. Lock it. Just shoot. Ow! It really hurts. It's good. That's hard. Oh, but as you can see, it hurted me a lot. See what's red? I love this gun, but sometimes the magazine just drops. Okay, you can post any comments you want. Hey, by the way, that's my BBs, my computer, whatever. Just cheap chair. So, comment, subscribe, do anything you want, but not negative comments, please. So, yeah. Start get 1451.